It is often said that cats cannot be trained, that they do as they please and lead their humans by the nose. While cats may not be as easily trainable as dogs, the fact remains, cats can indeed be trained. It all depends on whether their humans understand how to handle them correctly. Do you want your cat to finally do what you desire? Then watch this video until the end. Taboo, scolding and punishment. The cardinal rule in cat training is, you must never scold your feline loudly, punish them, or resort to violence as a method of training. This destroys your bond of trust and, in the worst case, may even make your cat dislike you. As a result, they will be even less inclined to do what you want, and they might even destroy your home or attack you. Whatever your cat does, remember this, scolding and punishment are off limits. Patience and composure. Instead of losing your temper, you must remain calm and composed in every situation. Although it may not be easy, especially when your feline is sharpening their claws on your sofa or knocking your favorite glass off the table, you must learn to stay composed. Be the epitome of tranquility because flipping out won't improve the situation. On the contrary, your cat will be annoyed by your hysteria or feel attacked and unsettled by your emotional outburst. It's definitely not good for your relationship and won't lead to any learning effect since your cat won't understand why you're so upset. So, always stay calm and take deep breaths. Ignoring undesirable behavior. Instead of getting upset, you must simply ignore your cat's undesirable behavior. That means you must act as if nothing happened at all. Naturally, you should not speak to them in a friendly manner or pet them during that time. Because then they might feel that the behavior you want to discourage is something positive. As a consequence, they might engage in it even more. Alternatively, it might have no effect at all. However, positive attention does not help to break your cat of an undesirable behavior. On the other hand, as you now know, negative attention, such as punishing and scolding, is also forbidden. So, what's left? No attention at all. In other words, you are not only ignoring your cat's undesirable behavior but your entire cat. This may sound tough at first, but it's the gentlest and only effective method. You shouldn't ignore them all day, just for a few minutes. After that, you should go back to treating them normally, as if nothing had happened. The only exception is if you need to react immediately, for example, gently lifting them off the table if they are somewhere they're not supposed to be. The right moment. When ignoring their behavior, it's crucial to catch the right moment. If you respond too late, your cat won't connect your reaction to their own behavior anymore. So, whenever your feline does something you don't want, you must immediately ignore them, especially if they scratch you. This requires a lot of attention and quick reactions from you, so it may take some time before you get it right. Don't be discouraged by that, just keep practicing. Being consistent. The key is not only the moment of each individual reaction but also that you consistently react this way whenever your cat exhibits undesirable behavior. If you only ignore them sometimes and not at other times, the learning effect will be lost. Only if you are 100% consistent will your cat gradually understand what you want or don't want from them. Being patient. Training takes a lot of time, and each cat has their own learning pace. There will also be setbacks along the way. No matter how long it takes and how difficult it gets, you must always remain patient and avoid becoming annoyed or irritated. Doing so will only slow down the process. If you stay consistent and patient, you will see results for sure. Building a bond. For your cat to do what you want, you must establish a loving, trusting bond with them. Only when your furry friend knows that you love them and take good care of them will they love you and trust you. And only then will they be willing to do what you want. Encouraging desired behavior. You can also teach your cat tricks, depending on their intelligence. To teach them something, wait until they do it naturally and then reward them. If you want to know what you should never do if you love your cat, click on the image on the left to find out. Or, if you're curious about the 13 little things your cat loves about you, click on the picture on the right now.